Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Oh no, Troll's upside down. Troll, what happened to your hair? That's so silly. Bring it, let's fix your hair. Oh, Troll, you have grass in your hair. You've got a leaf. There you go, your hairdo's all fixed now. Whoa, who's that? Check it out, it's Zombie. Whoa, it's so cool. Whoa, Youngster, what are you doing? Oh wow, look at this one, it's Piranha. Whoa, Bowser. Wow, that's so cool. Look at Bowser, he's got spikes on the top. So neat. Oh, this one's upside down. Whoa, it's a purple dinosaur. Huh, what's this one called? It's Jurassic Attack. Look at those horns, it's pretty cool. Whoa, check it out, it's Lion Share. That's a cool lion on the top of the car, and it's a really cool lion on the side of the car, and it's a pretty gold color. Whoa, what's going on over here? Lightning McQueen's gonna jump Wedge. Whoa, good job, Lightning. That's pretty cool. Wedge, what are you doing under there? Wedge, you just plowing the way? Yeah. Pretty cool. Who's this? It's Wolf's Head. That's so neat. Whoa, who's that? It's Gravedigger. Oh no, it's spitting something out. What is that? It's Gravedigger's tongue. It's a green tongue. Whoa, that's so silly. Who's that right there? It's Dragon. Wow, that's so cool. Look at the orange on top of its head. Whoa, I wonder who that is upside down right there. Oh my goodness, it's Donkey Kong. Oh no, it's Donkey Kong and Bowser. Are they gonna have a battle? Oh, get you, Bowser. You'll never catch me, Donkey Kong. Ha ha ha, got you. Whoa, good job, Donkey Kong. Who's upside down over here? It's Blue Thunder. Whoa, it's Strawberry Carbonator. Oh no, a blue one crashed over here. It's Stone Crusher. Hey, Stone Crusher. Check this out. It's a cool pink one. It's full charge. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. Can you name them all? There's Full Charge, Donkey Kong, Stone Crusher, Blue Thunder, Wolf's Head, Troll, Gravedigger, Bowser, Zombie, Piranha, Gangster, Carbonator Strawberry, Dragon, Lion's Head, Wedge, Jurassic Attack, and Lightning McQueen. Let's see all the vehicles we found today. Let's count them. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Found 16 monster trucks and 1 race car. That's a lot of vehicles. It's pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends.